Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it is Real Techniques. Now this advent calendar, believe it or not, was retailing for £80 for the last month on Superdrug. There's currently a sale on some of their advent calendars, and this calendar has gone from £80 down to £20. Thanks to one of my lovely followers, Chloe, who messaged me to let me know I had to get it. There is no way I was going to spend £80. I love Real Techniques. I've got a load of their brushes that I really like. I love their beauty blending sponges, really love them, but £80, no way. And look at the box. When you think of £80 advent calendars, you think of like glossy box, look fantastic, you know, where you open them up and you've got drawers. No, this is a bog standard advent calendar that you just, you know, rip the doors off. No luxury involved in this whatsoever. So the reason it's dropped £60 is probably because no one has bought it. But I do like Real Techniques. I could not miss the opportunity to get it. It's 25 days and there's 28 items inside. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up and showing you what's inside. If you're interested in getting it for yourself or getting it, taking everything out, putting it in a really pretty little box and giving it as a Christmas present to someone, whatever you decide, you will find a link down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to opening up day number 1, which is at the top here. These minis are gorgeous, really cute. This is 200. I absolutely love the Real Techniques kabuki brush and a retractable one. I use that as bronzer. I love it, and also I use the blusher brush as well regularly. Nice little powder brush there. Day number 2. I've got some scissors. Got some stainless steel scissors there. Really sharp, really sharp. Ooh, yeah. Day number 3. Now, it doesn't say on the website what this calendar is worth. That would be interesting. That'd be interesting to know. Ooh, what are these? It's patches for your eyes, but one has fallen out. So I'll find it eventually. Are they patches for your eyes or are they guards? It'd make more sense if they were, yeah. No, they're guards, they are. Like a guard, stick there, do your eyeshadow. Oh look, they've got pictures on the side here. Yes, these are under eye shields. That makes much more sense. So yeah, so these are handy. 2 shields under eye for precision eye makeup. I'll find the other one eventually. So what are we on now? Day number 4. Over here. And we've got a beauty blending sponge. A really fluffy one, a really nice sort of like Vella velvet. Oh, I love these. I really like their beauty blending sponges. It feels so nice and soft. Yeah, I like that. Day number 5. I don't know what we got here. Oh, it's a razor. It's a brow razor, double-ended. Do they both look the same? No, that one's smaller, that one's bigger. Oh my word! So there's that end. That end. Handy for shaping your eyebrows. Day number 6. This is where I start to wreck the rest. Ooh! Look! It's an under eye cooling roller. I have got one of these, so I'm not sure if I would actually use this or not, but yeah, nice with some serum on your under eye there, massage it all in. My other little shield fell out then. I don't know where for, oh, there. Fell out the bottom. Day number 7, over here. See, everything's coming apart. And where on earth is day number 7? It's gone. Oh no! Did any of you see my H&M advent calendar unboxing? Worst advent calendar ever. Oh my word. Where on earth is number 7? That's the thing with these type of advent calendars. They are pretty much free to roam around. We'll find number 7 hopefully. Does it say? No, they don't tell you what numbers. Okay, we'll find number 7 eventually. Number 8 next, up here. We have got a mini base shadow brush, a 301. Oh, these are teeny tiny, aren't they? They are so cute. Yeah, that's a really nice brush. I'm sure I've got the full-size version of this. Is that? Number 9, over here. We got another beauty blending sponge. The other sponge apparently is a cleansing sponge. This one is a powder sponge. I didn't even know there was a difference. So that's for powders. Day number 10. Down here, we've got 2 little hair clips here. These are really odd looking. They're your normal sort of hairdressing clips. And then you've got this plastic, see-through glittery plastic on top. The only time I would use these, and I'm assuming this is what they're for, when you are applying makeup and you want to tie your hair off your face, if you were to use these, so this metal part here on the bottom and then this goes on top, it's completely flat, so that will stop any marks, you know, going on your hair. So I'm assuming that's what it's for. I think we're on day number 11. I think so, yeah, down here. We've got a brush and sponge cleansing gel, and there's 30 mils here. I haven't tried this before, I have seen it, but no, I haven't tried it. Day number 12, we've got a colour switch. If you're doing an eye makeup and you want to use the same brush but with a different shade, then you just rub the brush in there and it gets rid of the eyeshadow on the brush, so then it's clean. It doesn't get rid of the eyeshadow completely, but it's enough then so that you can move on to a different shade and it doesn't affect. Yeah, I do really like that. Number 13 up here. This is a Miracle Complexion sponge. So this is for applying your liquid foundations, concealers. Yeah, love these. Number 14. Ooh, this is so soft. This is really soft. We've got a makeup removing cloth. Yeah, super soft there. Number 15 on the back. Oh, this is gorgeous. A mini setting brush. This is 400. Super soft and fluffy. Yeah, really nice brush. I like that. Number 16, is it on the back here? Yeah. This must be the cleansing sponge. It must be. Look at that! I have never seen one of those before. It must be. Look. It's a proper little sponge there. Oh wow. Okay, number 17 here. This is a mini smudge brush. 332. So great for smudging an eyeliner. Yeah, I really like that. Or smudging underneath your eyes for a smoky look. Yeah, I'm not sure if I've got a smudge brush. I don't know. But yeah. Was that number 17? I can't think now. 18, where are you? Up here. Got another sponge. This is a Complexion sponge. We got a few, haven't we? So we've got a powder one, a cleansing one. I think we've had 2 or 3 of these makeup ones. So is that number 19, the big one in the middle? Ooh, we've got 2. So I wonder if one is number 7. I think the scrunchie was number 7, and we've got this makeup remover pad there. I like that it's got 2 different sides there. I haven't tried these from Real Techniques before. They're super soft. And handy little scrunchie to tie your hair up for doing your makeup. Yeah, I like that. Number 20. Where are we? Down here. And we have got 206 mini contour brush. Look. That is so nice. Or I'd use that as a bit of a blush as well. Yeah, I do really like that. I love the brushes. What number are we on? 20, 21. Yeah. We've got a spoolie. And we've got some eyebrow guards. Oh, you're not going to be able to see. If I move out of the way, maybe you might be able to see there. Can you see? That is so cool, isn't it? Thin ones and thicker ones. And then a little spoolie. I would have loved to have played around with these if I had my natural eyebrows. But never mind, never mind. Maybe I could give them to my daughter and see what she can do with them. Number 22. Oh, might as well open it like this. Ooh. And this is a mask applicator, apparently. I assume you put your mask on your hand and then you just apply it like that, maybe, all over. I can't see any other way how you'd use that. I don't know, just, yeah. I can see how that would work. Like plastering a wall, isn't it? I don't know. Have any of you used one of these before? I normally use a brush or my hands to put a mask on. 22, 23. I might as well just rip this here. And we got some tweezers. These aren't branded. They haven't got the Real Techniques logo on them. But yeah, I use tweezers these days for applying my eyelashes, my false eyelashes. 24. Look how small this is. This is a mini detailer brush. 207. It's really small. Really cute. Is it 207? Yeah. And then number 25. If I rip all that open there. What are these? They're egg holders. It's a makeup sponge holder. I really like that. That is going to come in super handy. Yeah, look. I've got Real Techniques on them. To apply the makeup, you need to dampen them down. They expand a little bit and then they don't absorb as much makeup. It allows you to create a sheerer finish to your makeup, which you can build on then. So once I finish using it, I don't want to wash it straight away because I might come back later and use the sponge without applying any extra makeup on. So then I just might go over certain areas. So if I've used one for concealer, I just might, or powder, I might just go over certain areas just to touch up my makeup, just to refresh it. Or putting it in one of these, it means it doesn't touch anything else in my makeup bag. I think that's brilliant. Little cutouts there. So air can get inside, obviously, because if not, it'll go quite mouldy. I do wash them, but not straight away. I absolutely love that. I am super chuffed with this advent calendar. Thank you so much to Chloe if you're watching this. Thank you so much for messaging me and telling me about this, and I really hope that it remains on sale. So if any of you lovely lot want to buy one for yourself or as a gift or whatever, then yeah, take advantage, especially if you do like Real Techniques like I do anyway. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching. Please let me know if you spotted this bargain and you bought it, and also what do you think of the products in this advent calendar. Do you think it's even worth £20? Some of you might be like, no, it's not even worth that, Claire. I'd love to hear what you think, regardless if you like it or not. But yeah, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.